Chickpea and pumpkin soup. Preheat an oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Prepare the ingredients. Remove the skin off the pumpkin. Slice into 3mm pieces. Place on a baking sheet. Cut onion into pieces. Toss with salt. Place in the oven for 20 minutes. Remove from the oven. Place the pumpkin and onion into a saucepan. Add 1 cup of soy milk. Add cumin. Add Dijon mustard. Add vegetable stock. Cover and bring to the boil. Stir the soup. Blend until smooth. Add the chickpeas. Heat for 1 minute and serve.